Happy Sunday, yes, and happy Mother's Day, guys. I think me a vlog from yesterday. I think maybe not vlog. Yeah, I think I was vlogging from yesterday. Yeah, I was vlogging from Saturday, so continue today. Sunday. So happy Mother's Day to you lovely mothers out there, and the father them where I play mother role too. Happy Mother's Day to you all, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Guys, my have flu, so my son kind of worse. Not so bad like yesterday. Yesterday you could have hardly hear what me I say, but yeah. So I couldn't get to do me here yesterday, guys, because Nikki full up. Only thing I could do my nails and my toenail, which me just show them a little clip of that. Yeah. So, but just I come from wholesale. I did want to go to church this morning, but I couldn't even go to church because girl never finished doing what she have to do yesterday. I did just wash yesterday. I never clean her or nothing because as I tell you say, I have flu and I never feel so 100. So I just have to do what I can do little by little. So I wash yesterday and plus I pain up from gym. And now I feel better. I pain up from Thursday. I never go gym Friday. I go gym 4 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday I never go. Yeah, so I did pain up because Friday was leg day. I'm telling you, say guys, never pretty. I could have hardly walk. But now I feel much better because even though I don't go gym, I just get up and I work out same way. Yeah, so I work out Friday evening, I work out yesterday, I work out this morning. So yeah, the pain kind of gone, you know. It did it, but not as much as how it did feel. Yeah, so basically what I'm go now. Guys, you know so the place pull up? But left Liam and go up on the road with him father and we come back. Liam pull up everywhere. Pull up everywhere. Me talk to me run gun underneath the bed. Run go straight underneath the bed. So actually today is May 10th. Yep. So me I go in a little wholesale hall and cook. I may cook. Robert not cook and say no want feed food spoil so him not cook. So what am I gonna do? I just gonna do some instead of curry mutton, I gonna do brown stew mutton and I think I gonna do fish too. Brown stew mutton with some fried fish and some gungo rice and peas, some raw veg. Yeah, just that me do. Cause you know say me not eat much these days cause my grandpa my dieting, so me not eat nothing too much. So yeah. As I say, me go show you look unboxing, guys. Yeah. Guys, I play music I play out on the road. Out on the bar, play music. Them people are not gear rest. I'm so glad me not hear my neighbor right down there, so because don't get to play the music. I say, alright, I can do my little vlog and at least talk in it. But now I have to come in the room for make the little enjoy, yeah? For make you know what I'm going to do. Now I have to shut up because I go hear the music in the background because I play music I play. Pure I beam, my beam, my beam. So I go show you stuff that I get. But just have to show you randomly. I can't talk because as I say, I play music I play. So let's go. Three drop mackerel, guys. I have to talk when me hear the music stop. Three drop mackerel. 3 butter bean. Let's go. Baked bean. When the music start, never stop. 3 sardine. 1 big bottle of ketchup. 1 browning. Next sardine. 2 pounds of sugar. 8 pounds of jasmine. 5 pounds of flour. Yes guys, 5 pounds of flour. Half one of gungo rubber, put it on already. Yeah, that alone come out time. Let me show you how much we pay for all of them there. Before the music come up back. So I got 2 different wholesale. Yeah. I pay $12,101. See there, $12,101 for all of them there. And snacks. Don't carry no dirty building blocks in here.
I'm gonna wash this off, yeah?
3 tortillas.
Wash this off, yeah?
6 of them noodles here. 6 ramens. They are messy man. 6 ramens. Guys, I move fast before the music come on. 3 bun. Wanna dive off a while ago. Oh shh. Then I go turn on the music back. Right, 6 fruta. 6 water. Next fruta. As I say, 6 water. The rest of the water. Oh, I'm sure them first. Vinegar. The rest of the water. See if anything else in the bag, mere seasoning. Next bag. 3 tissue. I'm gonna have tissue in there. Just ketchup on someone. 1 toothpaste. 3 chocolate chip cookie. Half francs. Half nuggets. One last cup. Buy 3 of this animal biscuit, 3 banana chips, 3 beef foot, mixed tortillas, 3 cheese sticks, buy 6 of them here, 3 of them one here, and 3 of this. Buy 3 tankers, sun hot. Next time, big pack of crackers, coconut oil, 2 cornmeal, as we pay $9,425. So for guys, for all of them season, I'm just trying to spend $1,000 for them. Big. Instead of sweet, so I'm going to eat one of them and see. Them sweet apart. Yeah, them sweet. Liam no eat apple. Everything Liam no like. Everything Liam no like. Remember staple. So I'm season up the mutton. Brown stew. And we season up the fish. Oh. Oh. Okay guys, so basically it's still Sunday and but just get a little nap. Yeah, it's actually a couple minutes past 7. It's a couple minutes past 7 now, and basically I'm gonna end off this vlog by showing you guys what I got for my Mother's Day. I'm gonna show you what I got in my Mother's Day basket, okay? Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. This is my basket. Yeah. I love it. So guys, we're going to pull it. Yeah.
Mommy's so pretty.
First, I got a cup.
Mommy's so pretty.
Yeah, it's a stainless steel.
Mommy,
Keep
would
hot
like to
and
go?
cool. Big capacity. Yep. So this is the
Ah.
cup. I got a body glow oil. I love this. I actually have one and I just right now using. Yeah.
Mommy, smell it as if
This is a small perfume.
Mommy, smell it as if it would.
Ooh, you are my VIP. It's another cologne.
Yo, Mommy, look pretty.
This is a reed candle. Cherries. Candle. Smells so good. I get a champagne, sparkling drink, a white grape.
Mommy, I want that.
This basket is tea, trust me. Look at food in my teeth. Liam, stop the jumping on the bed the last time I tell you. This is a Japanese Sakura body spray.
Mommy, smell good? Mommy, smell it. Mommy,
This
can I smell
smells
it?
so good.
So nice.
Yeah.
Mommy,
This
can
is
I
the lotion.
Smell it.
Yeah, Japanese Sakura.
Now, why you always
And
look this?
This is a Victoria's Star Love Seduce. Yeah. This is a body. I think this is a shower gel. Shower gel. Yeah. So guys, and
Mommy, smell it.
that is what is in my basket. And basically, guys, I can actually use this.
Mommy, I want that.
Yeah, this is usable. So I actually can put this on my dresser and put like my comb and my brush and whatever in it. Yeah. So I can use this on my dresser.
Mommy, I have to smell this one.
Okay, I'm gonna put in my comb and my brush. But ear gel and all of them because something there in this on my dresser. Yeah. yeah. So this basket is definitely key because everything in it is usable. So yes guys, that is what I got in my basket for my for my Mother's Day gift. Yeah, and guys, actually my telling I'm really loving. It's a lot of stuff, honestly.
I mean, look, from a new bed.
Yes guys, so basically this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I have some clothes to fold up, but I'm not going to record that.
Bye guys.
I'm not going to record that. I just go end the vlog, and I have actually 2 bad pan of clothes. Full bad pan I run over. So them there, full bad pan of clothes I run over for fold up. I'm after to do them like tonight. Yeah. So basically yes guys, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do what, Liam? Subscribe guys. Yes guys, and until next time guys, we will definitely see you in another vlog. Bye guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow.